Have you ever wondered why big e-commerce websites have these little green or red tags saying save 10% or save money? Can this small design element really increase your sales? The answer is yes. In today's video, we will learn what a product badge is on e-commerce sites and how it plays on your customer psychology to increase your sales several times. Let's get started. In simple terms, a small graphical element used to highlight a special offer, discount, or feature on a product list is called a product badge or product label. As you can see on the screen, here, along with the price of the laptop, "Save Money" is beautifully written. We can also call it a discount badge. Now the question is, why should you use it on your website? There are three big reasons. 1. Visual attention. When a customer scrolls through a bunch of laptops, a colorful badge catches their eye first, then plain text. 2. Saving psychology. People don't just look at the price, they look at how much money they can save. Saying save 10,000 is much more appealing than saying price 1,80,000. 3. Helping in decision making. When someone sees a limited offer or a big discount, they feel the urge to buy quickly, which we call urgency and FOMO, fear of missing out. Now the question is, how do you add this to your WordPress or e-commerce site? I have created a custom code for you without any expensive plugins. Go directly to the website screenshot9.com. I have provided this code there. Copy this code and paste it into your theme's functions.php file and save it, and you're done. From now on, every product you offer for discount will automatically show this kind of professional badge. Your website will become more converting without any hassle. Let me know directly in the comments if the code is working or if you have any problems. Remember, a professional website means more sales. And if you want to redevelop your e-commerce site through me, or want an advanced strategy to increase sales, you can contact me using the information provided on the screen. Share the video if you find it useful. Thank you.